Some strategies to use your remix feature to feature your videos into shorts and to convert subscribers. Let's start it. If you don't know how, if you go to one of your videos, and only you can do this, you can select the remix and add it to a short. Strategy comes in this nice when you check your videos, your non-form videos, and see which videos got you subscribers. Then you will put that video in a short will lead back to that video. It will increase your chances of getting a subscriber. Secondly, if you got a video that has good audience retention, you can do this too. Take a add it to a short, which will lead back to the video, and then the video is proving that has good audience retention, meaning it keeps people watching. So it'll be easier to gain traction. Alternatively, you can do this trick, which I explained in this video coming up, which will show you your videos that have audience retention, but not that many views, into a video that has high audience retention and to another views. So, watch that video coming up, and I'll see you there.